Draw an arc MN with suitable dimension and bisect it using compass. Draw an arc with any radius with the help of compass. Name the endpoint of an arc by point M and point N. With the help of compass, point M as a center and any radius r, where r must be greater than the half dimension of Mn, draw arc upper side and lower side of arc Mn. Similarly, point N as a center with same radius, draw arcs which will intersect with the previous arcs. Name the intersecting points of arcs by point C and point D. Now we will connect the point C and point D with the help of line. Mark point P where line CD cuts arc MN. Here point P bisects the given arc MN. By using this method, we can bisect an arc having any dimension.